Hey everyone, I'm Liz from the Home DIY YouTube channel, Liz Fimick DIY. I want to tell you about the 270-degree White Motion Outdoor Integrated LED Floodlight with Clearview Edge-Lit Translucent Light Panel technology, available at the Home Depot. You can make your home secure and stylish with this motion-activated outdoor floodlight. The Clearview Edge-Lit Translucent Light Panel technology feature lets the light fixture blend into your home exterior. The new technology allows dim accent light to shine from the back of the panel to create a soft wall wash ambient lighting effect. This fixture also gives a warm white color temperature of 3000 K at bright 2000 lumens. The dual bright feature allows dim accent light from dusk till dawn and full bright when motion is detected. The floodlight is DIY friendly with 2 easy steps for installation with eave or wall mount. The unique clear lamp head panels blend in with the exterior of your home with its 2000 lumens seamless bright light. It has LED lit touch sensor controls. The dual bright 2-level lighting comes on at a warm white 3000 K temperature, which helps to beautify, protect, and also save energy by utilizing accent light from dusk till dawn and full light when the motion is detected. The bright LED at 2000 lumen output is great for nighttime. You can adjust the LED light sensor, which is great for functionality depending on where you put it on your house. The 270-degree motion detection has up to a 50-foot range. The lamp is tool-free and you could also adjust all of the sensors. If you're looking for an outdoor floodlight, make sure that you head over to the Home Depot for the Defiant 270-degree White Motion Outdoor Integrated LED Floodlight with Clearview Edge-Lit Translucent Light Panel technology.